In today's lab, we're going to show you how to take two common items you have laying around the house and turn them into some fun substances. Stay tuned. For this lab, you're going to need two things. Some borax, it's laundry detergent. It's a good old Elmer's glue. By the way, your mom probably has this in the laundry room, just check it out. You're going to take these two, mix them with a little bit of water, and make a neat substance. Let's get started. Here's what you need to do this lab. Again, the box of borax, it's a laundry detergent. Your mom probably has some. You're also going to need some Elmer's glue. This is quite a bit. You don't need quite this much. To mix things, you need a cup, about a 4-ounce cup, popsicle stick again, and one of these NyQuil measuring cups. These are wonderful for measuring small quantities. If you look at this, you can see they measure milliliters all the way up to 30 milliliters. And some water. Here's how you do it. First, you gotta mix the borax solution. Just take a beaker and get some hot water. Let it run for a while, it'll get pretty hot, because you're gonna need the hot water to dissolve or borax. Once the water's hot enough, just pour a little bit of borax. You don't have to measure it. I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of borax into the beaker, and I'm gonna add to it about 100 milliliters of hot water. Stir it real well, just keep stirring. Get that to dissolve as much as possible. That'll be the solution we add to the glue. Next, pour 10 milliliters of Elmer's glue into the NyQuil measuring cup. Get to about 10 milliliters, this is about a third of the way up, and pour that into the larger cup. Now, of course, a lot of it sticks to the measuring cup. So get as much as you can out of there into the larger cup. Come on, get in there. And then, once you get most of it out, you might want to wait a little longer than I just did, add 10 milliliters of water to the medicine cup again. Again, it doesn't have to be hot, this cold water is fine, but just 10 milliliters of water, slosh that around, get all the glue out of the cup, and pour that in. Now you want to start mixing this cup. This cup now has 10 milliliters of glue and 10 milliliters of water. Stir, 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 get it to dissolve nicely. Stirring. If you want some interesting colors, now's the time to add the color. So put the color in there while it's mixed up. Now let's turn it into silly putty. Now that the solution is a mix of glue and water, it's time to add the borax solution. Remember, we dissolved this with some hot water to get that to dissolve nicely. Take the eyedropper, get some of the borax solution into the eyedropper, and you might need a little help from another person. You want to stir the glue water solution while you're slowly dripping in the borax and wait for the magic to happen. Once the solution gets firm enough, you can take it out of the cup and have some fun with it. Enjoy!